If you are an employee of MyHR CVS and if you're trying to log into your account, then make sure you keep watching this video until the end, because in this video I'm going to show you the steps that you need to follow to successfully log into your account. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. Search for MyHR CVS Employee Login on the search bar of your web browser. Once you search for this, you can see the result from the website of CVS Health, which is mylife.cvshealth.com. You can also directly search for this and you'll directly land on this interface. Now from here, all you need to do is type in the username. This is the 7-digit employee ID that has been given to you. And in the second box, type in the password. If you have forgotten your password, you can click on the forgot password link and follow simple steps to recover it. Once you type in both of these information correctly, you can click on submit and you'll be successfully logged in to your MyHR CVS account. If this video was helpful to you, do let us know by giving this video a thumbs up. That's pretty much it for today's video. I'll see you guys in the next one.